Oh, morning everybody. Across this bridge multiple times every year. It's one of those you don't look down, you just hope you make it across type of deal. It should easily be weight rated for this machine, but I'm pretty sure when both choppers are together and one follows the other, if you watch it, that bridge bows quite a bit. It's an old frame underneath, and then they just have the decking on top made of guardrails. Interesting little deal. Alright everybody, so first of all, my apologies for not doing a better explanation of this before we unhooked it. got distracted by other projects, and next thing I know, it's unhooked. So here we go. So this is hard to explain because of the way it folds. So you got your two wings here. If you go back to my prep for silage video, almost positive I showed how this contraption unfolds. But so you have a pickup there, a pickup there, and a pickup there, and then behind all three of them is a set of belts. So the pickup teeth works just like the baler and the chopper. Those bad boys coming around, throw the crop on the belt. That belt, this guy, let me actually hit the belt where you can see it. It'll throw it so many different directions with this machine, and that's actually why we got this one. Because you can throw simple right, left. You can make it throw right and left. You can actually leave the center section up and make them both throw to the middle. It's kind of cool what all you can do with this. But because I wasn't right near it a whole lot, I don't have a whole lot of footage of it running for you guys. Nice little Saturday, and then that showed up. It's gonna be a mad dash just get this guy out of the field. Got about 5 rows that are gonna get left on the ground for Monday, because now I gotta road this 30 miles home to work on the spout tomorrow, because we gotta take it off to change some stuff. Man, it is one heck of a little pop-up thunderstorm. Welcome to the plains, everybody. Alright, so that storm did in fact impact us. As soon as we got to the end of the field, we got out of there because it got nasty fast. But now I have just now made the 30-mile trek home. Well, I guess I still got 4 miles left of that 30 mile. And it is raining. And it is a nice, gentle rain. This is amazing, guys. I cannot tell you how awesome this is. There's water running. I see puddles. Oh.